I would really like to be a content creator, but I'm camera shy and I don't even like the sound of my voice. So, what do you think? Oh well, if this is you, I've got something amazing and easy and free for you to use. I know there are so many people that would really like to be a content creator. I've once been in that shoe, and I know there are so many people that would really like to make faceless content and they do not know how to go about it. So just make sure you watch this video till the end. Which app are we going to use? We'll be using Capcut, and we are going to be using the free version of Capcut. You'd have to pay to get it done. So how do we do this? Make sure you open CapCut, select your project and click on text. After selecting text, you have different options, audio templates, this and that. So just select the text to audio feature. Now in the text box, write any text you really want to turn into speech. After selecting text to audio, as you can see, we have varieties of voices from male to female to if even if you're a singer, you have your own feature. And guess what? They also have Spanish language. So this is quite easy and it is super amazing. So after you write in your text, just select the voice that you'd really like to use for it. And that is it. So your video is ready to be exported. Now let's listen to what we've made.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the beginning of my content creation journey, and I really hope you guys go on this ride with me.
After you're done selecting your preferred voice, it's going to split your caption automatically, but if you do not want it, you can select don't split, and here we have this.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the beginning of my content creation journey, and I really hope you guys go on this ride.
And that is all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you find this really helpful, I think you should put it in the comment section. And until next time, have a great day.